In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a logo on Google Sites. If you want to make your Google site look more professional and clearly represent your brand, adding a logo is one of the quickest and most effective updates you can make. The good news is that Google Sites makes this process very simple, and in just a few clicks, you can place your logo directly into your site header. To begin, open Google Sites and go to the site you want to edit. Make sure you're inside the correct site, especially if you manage more than one. Once the site is open in editing mode, take a moment to look at the top section of the page, because that's where the logo will be added. Next, move your mouse over the header area. You don't need to click immediately. Just hover over the header and wait for the editing options to appear. Google Sites hides certain controls until you place your cursor in the right area. So if you don't see the option right away, keep your mouse positioned over the top section of the page. When the header controls appear, click on Add Logo. This opens the logo option for your site and lets you attach an image that will be used in the header. This is the image visitors will associate with your website, so it's a good idea to use a clean, high-quality version of your logo that looks clear, even at a smaller size. After clicking Add Logo, choose the Upload option. Then select the logo file from your computer. Once you click your file, Google Sites will upload it and place it into the header area. Depending on the image dimensions, it may appear differently than expected at first, so using a well-cropped logo with a transparent or simple background usually gives the best result. After the upload finishes, your logo should appear in the site header automatically. At that point, you can review how it looks at the top of the page and make sure it fits the overall style of your site. If needed, you can always replace it later by repeating the same process and uploading a different version. And that's all it takes to add a logo on Google Sites. It's a small change, but it can make your site feel much more polished and recognizable. If you follow these steps carefully, you'll have your logo added in just a minute or two.